how to fix DoorDash refund not arriving after approval. So first thing first guys, since I don't have an access to the DoorDash account in my region, I'll be using screenshots and official information from DoorDash to walk you through the process. Now to fix DoorDash refund which is not arriving even after approval, what you can do is first the verify refund status. To verify your refund status, open the DoorDash app on your device, then go to the orders tab at the bottom right corner of your screen, then select order history and tap the specific order, then check the receipt to confirm the refund amount and issue date match your approval email. Now to fix this issue, what you can do is go to your Google Play Store or Apple App Store, find the DoorDash app, and if you see an update button available right here, tap an update to get the latest version. Now the next what you can do is check the pending versus posted. Look at your bank or credit card statement. A refund often appears as the original pending charge, disappearing entirely rather than a separate positive credit entry. So that's it for this video guys. I hope this video is helpful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in my next video.